Hey guys, Steve here, how's everyone going? Well, I got another video today and it's a bit of an update video. I did a video a few weeks ago about a Crazydog charcoal bag that I was working with Jason from Crazydog Canvas, and we built one and I think I've got it. I'll just go grab it. I should have been more prepared, shouldn't I? So this was it here. So this is the first one here we built. And it was good, but you can see the size of it there. It's fairly big. We've got handles sewn onto the side here to lift it up, to carry it around. And we've got handles on the side here for grabbing hold of it. And once we pour the spout out, for pouring the charcoal out. Now it worked pretty good, but Jason sort of said to me that there was a lot of work in building it, and he thought that it would make it out of the price range of people for buying it. He's trying to make things as cost effectively for him so that he can make a bit of money and so that he can sell it at a reasonable price to you guys. And that was one of the reasons. And the other reason was that we changed it was the size. If you have a look here, I've got another one, and if I hold it up against it, it's a little bit shorter in height and it's a little bit thinner in size. That's a fairly big bag. Now, what am I using it for now? I'm actually using it to store my leftover firewood, so it's actually my leftover firewood bag now. So that's what I'm using it for, but we've come up with a new one, and that's it there. Like I said, tiny bit smaller. The handles are gone from the front now, and what we've replaced it with is a handle on the top here. Now he's put two chrome plated little locks on, tabs on there. Good thing about this, you can throw it over your shoulder, and if you need to walk to another camp and light their fire, you can. So it's a great little bag for that. It's easy to throw over your shoulder. And the good thing with these things is they clip off really quickly and easy. So once you get to where your fire is, take those off and throw it aside. So there's no need to have the handle sort of sewn. That was one of the main costs Jason said that were making the other one a little bit expensive. With this bit of binding around here, the handle sewn onto the side, there was a lot of work sewing that up. But with this one here being a little bit smaller, and just the handle on the side here and the one on the bottom for tipping, it's just made it a fair bit easier. Now, it's still got the same insert in here, but he has changed that a little bit. I haven't got the other one in there anymore because I'm using it for timber. So this little piece here actually velcros in around the edge there. You can take it out if you want to pour your charcoal in, but you can see that one there. If I put it in there, the spout is over to the side a little bit, which means that you can basically only just tip it one way because the spout's on one side. So what we've done is we've put it in the middle, and that way, left-handed person, pick it up, spout's in the middle, go to your right hand, tip it the other way, it's still in the middle. So no matter which way you tip it, the spout will work either way, whether you're left or right-handed. Now all you got to do to put this away, you can take that out if you want to fill it with charcoal, but there's no need to. I've been buying Gidgee Brother charcoal. It has some big pieces in it, but it's mainly, you know, not overly large. I've been buying this one here from Woolies actually. Samba lump charcoal barbecue fuel. I find this is really good for cooking with. I'll just cut it open. It's bloody hard to get though, like they seem to run out of it, bloody Woolworths. But here's me saying they don't have big pieces in it. Look at the size of that one, the first piece I pull out. but it's mainly charcoal around that size there. Actually, this one here's got a fair few bigger pieces than what it normally has. So, should burn pretty good. And I find this charcoal does burn really well. So, we'll just throw that in there. Give it a shake, falls in the spout. Throw some more in. Give it a shake, falls in the spout. You know, so why would you want a charcoal bag like this? You're not going to use all that charcoal up on one fire. And these bags, like, look at this. It's got a hole in the side already. You don't want all that dust falling around in your trailer. So you can, whatever you got left over, or if you've got a few bags that are half full, pour them in the charcoal bag. Give it a shake. This bag's getting quite full by the way too, because I already had some charcoal in there. And there you go. All my charcoal's in there. I can zip that up and put it away in the trailer. The reason we've put a zip in there is because with Velcro, if you put Velcro on there, it'll work for a while, fine, no worries at all. But after a while, the charcoal dust will get caught in the Velcro and it'll stop it from sticking properly. And you'll have trouble with the bag coming open. But with the zip in there, it's really good. You do have to be careful, like with the charcoal getting in the zip and binding it up as well. But the good thing about this, with the way that we've designed this spout, if you look in the top there, when you pull this out, it inverts the spout the other way. So when I pull this out, all the charcoal will come out the top of this hole and it won't touch any of the zip. So you shouldn't get any on the zip. So then it's just a matter of walking over to your fire and giving it a shake. Filling your fire up. Now if it gets caught up, just tip it back, then tip it over again. I'll bring the camera over here now and I'll just show you, while I was talking there, how much charcoal I've put in there. Now have a look at this. Look at the size of that charcoal in my hand. Look at that one. That one. That's all big charcoal and it's all come out of that bag, no troubles at all. So Jason said what he's going to do on the next one, he's going to make this slightly bigger, put a bigger hole in it, and so it pours out a lot better. But there we go there, the Crazydog canvas charcoal bag. Designed to be, you know, ergonomically comfortable. It's designed to work. I've seen some other ones out there. They're great. But I reckon this one has improved on a lot of those other designs and it's really worked out great. So if you're after one, check out his website. I'm going to leave a link to Crazydog's website. He has plenty of other products. As you can see over there, and he's over there chopping up a few veggies. We've got our camp cube set up here. Another great Aussie invention. Make sure you check out my videos on that. Put the tripod on it tonight. We're going to hang up the 10-inch camp oven, which is under our table over there. We're chopping up all these veggies here and we're going to cook up a casserole. I actually went to a butcher's the other day and there's our camp oven and we bought up all this diced meat. Going to throw that in. We're going to cook a casserole up over the camp cube. I'll show a few photos of that at the end of this video. As you can see, the weather's not been kind to us. It looks like there's a couple of rain clouds coming. So we're going to probably put our hexi-top up over here and set it up over our fire here so that if it does rain, we're all covered. But we're in a great camping spot at Foxbar Falls. Look at our workbench there. Bloody great big chunk of granite. We've got a granite table over there. Annie's already got up and about my shoes on the table. Winnie's sitting over here in the chair. She's worn out. We've been walking her everywhere. Look at her. You're half asleep, aren't you, Winnie? Yeah. She's going to sleep there. She's got a couple of bones she's been chewing on. So like I said, the Crazydog charcoal bag. Send Jason a message, but I'm pretty sure Jason said he's going to put it up on the website. It's got the handle that goes on it, so that clips on so you can carry it around, but you got the handles for pouring it out. This here will just tuck straight back inside there and pops down. You can pull that out if you want to, but I find it's easier just to leave it in there. And it's got a great couple of zips on it, so you can zip it up, store your charcoal away in your camper out of the road. It's made of black Aussie made canvas. So thanks very much. Got to tilt the camera back up now, guys. So thanks very much. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below. Like always, stay safe, be kind to each other, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm going to head off to the camp up the road now because they wanted to borrow some charcoal off me. Glad I got this bag that I can swing it out. So I'll see you on the next one. I'll put a few photos of our little cook up on the end here, and we'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.